Hey guys, morning. It's Sami again here. Uh, this is not really a long video because I've got a message that they say that they had a question about shifting. In last program we are making just a simple script, and here you say, what is this shifting? You say, yeah, I said when you shift it to the right is mean division to the two, very fast meaning. But they told me I have 100, and when I shift it to the right I have to get 10, and this is not division to 2, division to 50. uh, just guys, I am saying you're right, but we as human be able to read numbers like this decimal, but are you sure that machine binary is also reading like this? Let me see hexadecimal numbers. It say, look, when I'm type number 0 or number 1, computer or machine is not understanding number 1, understanding 0 1. And take a look here, 0 1, and we have 0 1 is it's mean 2. 0 2, 0 2 is 3, 4 5 6. And take a look here, when I'm saying we are shifted to the right, we are shifting binary to the right. And take a look here, I am going to write a method here. Take a look here, this is a method to show us. Take a look here first. Let's see. Look, I have here number 4. I say here I want to see the binary of number 4, okay? And it say to me here is 100 is 1 2 4 1. Look, you have to calculate here, right? Is 1, first digit 1 2 4, and 4 we have 1, it's number 4. And when you shift it to the right, we have to get 2. And let's see, I'm copying this, and I say, hey, again, but print number 2 for me. Let's see. Take a look here. When you shift, this is the first one, number 4. When I'm shifted to the right one time, I get 10. It's leading to 2. Yeah? And 2 is number, you see, it's 2. And take a look here, in this example, take a look here, I have here 100, okay? I want to see, when I've shifted it to the right, I have to get 50, okay? I'm saying this, take a look here. This is number 100. 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and this is 100, okay? But now I want to see, when I'm shift this number to the right, I have to get 0 1 0 0 1, okay? And let's see, I'm saying, hey Python, just like this, and give me number 50, okay? And now take a look here, take a look, 1 0 to the shift, and it's number 50. It's mean when I am shifting one time my number to one time, I'm getting is division to 2, okay? And take a look here, but here is not division to 2, division to halving, it's other number, but logic is the same. When I'm saying it, I have number 2, when I'm shifted to the right I get number 1. That's it. And this is actually bitwise shifting in Python, and in all of languages are the same. With other words, we are shift the numbers to the right, we are shift the numbers to the left, and with other words, we are shifting numbers for very fast calculation sometimes. Take a look here. If in the Bitcoin source code we want to let me say so. This is really fastest way. This is the fastest way to calculate this one. Okay, for sure you are be able to write many lines code. I don't know. Maybe you ask this question to know my understanding about that, or That was just a question. Okay, and this is bitwise shifting bitwise operators, and it doesn't matter with which language you are busy with. In Java, I'm not going for, because I know that. I'm going for Python because I'm in Python course, and that's why I have to test myself also. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to close it. I hope you understand this one, and if you got the question, if you are not be able to leave a comment there or disable comment, just send me email. Okay, guys, have a nice day.